Hello kids, hello kids. Hello kids, let's learn together nice and slow. We are learning numbers today, it's the table of 5. Here we go. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. Say it slowly, loud and clear. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Let's say it once and say again. 5 threes are 15, 5 threes are 15. Say it slowly, nice and clean. 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. Count with me, that's plenty. 5 fours are 20. Let's count together, nice and slow. 5, 10, 15, 20. Again, nice and slow. 5, 10, 15, 20. 5 fives are 25, 5s are 25. Say it slowly, feel alive. 5 fives are 25, 6s are 30. Say it gently, nice and steady. Let's count together, nice and slow. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Again, nice and slow. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Again, nice and slow. 5, 10, 15, 20. 5, 35. 5 sevens are 35, 5 sevens are 35. Say it once, say it twice. 5 sevens are 35. Say it slowly, nice and sporty. 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45. Count with me, you're doing fine. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50, 5 tens are 50. Great job, kids, you're so clever. 5 tens are 50. Now let's count by fives, very slow, just like this. Hello kids, let's learn together nice and slow. We are learning numbers today, it's a table of 5. Here we go. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. Say it slowly, loud and clear. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 twos are 10. Let's say it once and say again. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15, 5 threes are 15. Say it slowly, nice and clean. 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fours are 20. Count with me, that's plenty. 5 fours are 20. Let's count together, nice and slow. 5, 10, 15, 20. Again, nice and slow. 5, 10, 15, 20. 5 fives are 25, 5 fives are 25. Say it slowly, feel alive. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30, 5 sixes are 30. Say it gently, nice and steady. 5 sixes are 30. Let's count together, nice and slow. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Again, nice and slow. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 5 sevens are 35, 5 sevens are 35. Say it once, say it twice. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40, 5 eights are 40. Say it slowly, nice and sporty. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45, 5 nines are 45. Count with me, you're doing fine. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50, 5 tens are 50. Great job, kids, you're so clever. 5 tens are 50. Now let's count by fives, very slow, just like this. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Learning math is fun to do, let's try again, nice and slow. The table of 5 is easy now. Great job, kids, we all know.